There are thousands of camera accessories out there, and after 27 years of working as a cameraman, I've tested more than I can count. I've made plenty of accessory videos for specific cameras, but in this video I want it to be strict and pick those items that I would use regardless of what action camera I was shooting with. So whether I'm out in my car, my bike or walking, these are the accessories that I would use with a 360 camera or an action camera, and they all fit in this sling bag. And if you want to learn how to use these accessories properly with your 360 camera, then remember to check out my beginner 360 course down below. If I could choose only one selfie stick, then this would be it, and it's the Insta360 standard selfie stick. And it's perfect for that floating camera style shot that makes your 360 footage stand out. This is the one I grabbed for travel and quick shooting days, and it's only 23 centimeters when closed. So this easily fits in your bag. This extends to 114 centimeters and it has a friction design. So you can open it from closed position to anywhere in between and it just holds itself in place. And there's a 1/4 inch thread on the top and underneath, so you can easily attach this to another mount. And I quite often attach this to this magnet mount, and you can get these from Best 360 or Bushman Panoramic. And I use this mount to get one of my all-time favorite 360 shots. Simply attach it to the bonnet of your car on a short selfie stick using the 1/4 inch thread, and you get this really cool floating camera style shot as if the camera is floating at the front of the car. And the magnet is super strong and easy to attach, and you can remove it using a selfie stick. This is one of the most versatile camera mounts I have, and you'll find this being called the PGY Mantis pod or the Insta360 multi-mount. So it does come under a few different names, but they're all pretty much the same design. So this is a grip, a tripod, and an extendable arm all in one. So you can clamp it, you can hang it, or you can set it down on a surface for steady, static tripod shots. And it folds up quite compact, and it's best for single lens action cameras. I mean, you can use this with your 360 camera, but the arm is difficult to get dead straight, and also there's a few bits sticking out, so there's a chance that this will show up in your shot. Another style of tripod that I absolutely love, then that's these Joby Gorilla Pods. I absolutely love this tiny version. It folds down so small that you can easily fit this in your pocket or in your camera bag. And I love to use this with the Insta360 Go series cameras. It wraps around tree branches, poles, balconies, backs of chairs, and you can get a bigger version as well to take bigger cameras. And it has magnetic feet underneath as well. It has a 1/4 inch thread attachment on top, so you can use this to not only attach cameras but also mics and small lights if you wanted to. I've been using power banks for years with my cameras, and almost in every accessory video I've said the same thing: you just need one of these in your kit bag. You can use them to recharge your camera, drone, mic, light, phone, anything with a USB input. And this part of the video is sponsored by INIU, but to be honest, I was already looking at an alternative to my existing power bank setup, and their range had already caught my eye. It's really easy just to go out and buy the cheapest power bank online, but there's a big difference between a power bank that just stores power and one that delivers it properly and efficiently. These INIU power banks use high output USB-C, so they charge fast and reliably, and when you're out filming, that's what really matters. The key thing is they're well built and they deliver power quickly when you need it. I've been using 3 different models: this compact pocket friendly version, which is 10,000 mAh, along with this MagSafe one that clips to the back of your phone. And these two have some really neat features. These look like hand loops, but they're actually USB-C cables that are attached to the power bank. And this phone charger also doubles up as a phone stand as well, with this tiny arm that pops out the back. And then you have this larger power bank as well, and this one has USB-C outputs of 140 watts and 45 watts. So you could charge multiple devices several times, and even a laptop. These have performed brilliantly and they fit straight into my camera bag, so it's a really easy recommendation. I'll link them below if you want to check them out. On pretty much every accessory video, I also recommend this PGY Handlebar mount. It's designed for bikes and scooters, but you can also clamp it onto rails, poles, or anything of a similar shape. And you have the clamp one end, and then you have this small magic arm, so you can angle the camera into lots of different positions, giving you flexibility and a variety of shots. With most action cameras now, you can connect a Bluetooth radio mic, which makes it more convenient to get good sound quickly and easily. The mics have got smaller and smaller, and my favorite at the moment is the DJI Mic Mini. This thing is tiny. It comes with a built-in clip, or you can use the magnet, and it also has a windshield, so you can still get good sound in windy conditions. And it comes with a pouch as well, which is really handy because this mic is so small that I've misplaced it several times. So just be careful. Memory cards aren't very exciting, but they are essential, and it's really important that you buy the right one. So you must get a fast, reliable brand to prevent dropped frames and corrupted files, especially when you're using these with 360 cameras and you're shooting 5.7K or 8K footage. So stick with trusted brands like SanDisk or Lexar, or even Insta360's own branded cards. And always check on the brand's websites for specific cards that the brand recommends to use with their cameras. Next we have the Chums lens cloth, and this is one of the smaller accessories in this video, but it's also one of the most important. One smudge or mark on a lens, particularly a 360 camera lens, and your entire shot can be ruined. This one's great because you can clip it onto your belt or your bag, and the cloth is actually sewn into this little pouch. So you pull it out, you use it, and you can't accidentally drop it. And then when you finish using it, you just tuck it back up into the bag. So that brings us full circle because everything that I've shown you fits into this compact sling bag by TomTok. It's lightweight and you can keep your gear organised, and it's built for creators who want to travel light but they still want to carry a lot of accessories with them. There are a load of pockets, and I love the sling style, so you can just swing it around to grab something and then swing it out the way again. And this then becomes my grab and go kit. Everything that we've talked about is just in that bag ready to go. So that's my entire essential setup, 9 accessories that fit into one small bag. None of these are random picks, they've all earned their place. And you'll find all of them linked below, including my 360 beginners course to help you master your 360 camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.